one of my home videos. In this video, I will be making white homemade bread. I have all my ingredients here. Now what I have is 3 cups of flour. This is white flour. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 egg. Okay, so what you want to do is warm your milk and pour it into your sugar. Then you want to take your yeast and add that to it and give that a good stir. The warm milk is going to activate the yeast. Once that is mixed well, we want to cover it and let that settle for about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover that and leave that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so what you want to do while the yeast is setting is you want to add your salt to your flour and give that a good stir. Make sure it is mixed in well. Okay, so here you have your yeast that is already set. It is supposed to look a little frothy, right? Now you are going to add your well-beaten egg to that, as well as your melted butter. Make sure and stir that. And this is going to be added to your flour mixture. Now we are going to add that mixture to our flour. Remember, the salt is also in there, and we are going to knead this until it forms a soft dough. So you are kneading that really well until you can form a soft ball, right? So you're kneading all of that until it forms a ball. So there it's forming your ball, right? So there you have it, your dough, nice and soft. And what we are going to do is cover that and put it into a nice warm place and leave it until it's about double in size. So here I have my dough, which has been sitting for about an hour. And as you can see, it has doubled in size. And what I am going to do now is to form smaller balls with it and place it into my already greased baking tray. So here I got 8 hops with the recipe that I used. And what you have to do is cover them with a cloth and wait until they are doubled in size before putting them into the oven. So my buns have been sitting here for about an hour, and as you can see, they have doubled in size and ready to be put into the oven. Now I have been preheating my oven for about 10 minutes, so it's ready to go into the oven. Okay, so these are my hops. They baked for 25 minutes at 300 degrees. And they are all done. Let's cut open one and see what they look like. So this is what it looks like on the underside, right? You can see it's very well cooked. And let's cut this open. See, it's nice and soft. And there you have it, your white homemade hops. Now I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my videos.